channel, and if you are watching my videos for the first time, then welcome here. My name is Bhavana Rai, and in this video I am going to make an announcement for the assignment of my next ship. But before making an announcement, I would like to thank Mrs. Grace, Mr. Charles and Miss Jennifer who have come to Carnival Magic and dine with us in our table, and also they are my YouTube subscribers. So they sent me this package all the way from New York to India. So I would like to thank them so much, and there is a magnet inside all the way from New York. I love collecting magnets from different places, so thank you so much for this. It means a lot to me. So I will be joining to Carnival Vista on April 9th, sailing from Galveston, Texas along with my husband. So whoever is coming to Carnival Vista, meet you there. Having said that, I am attaching the vlog from my Mumbai trip which we recently completed. I am currently at house in Gangtok, my husband's house. So to make this video much entertaining, I have attached the vlog of Mumbai. So if you are interested, please do watch it until the end and enjoy. After our trip to Goa, we landed to Mumbai, the city of dreams. To make the good memories for my two mothers, I booked a train from Goa to Mumbai. We left my sister behind for her work, and after reaching Mumbai, we stayed at our aunt's place. Hi from Mumbai. Mommy sleeping. Hello, my mommy. My mom-in-law and another one is my aunt, my father's younger sister, and we are right now in front of Taj Hotel and Gateway of India. Taj. And this is the hotel where I worked before joining Cruiseship for 8 months. This Taj Hotel is a heritage 5-star luxury hotel of Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, and is situated next to Gateway of India. There are so many pigeons behind, and here too. We headed to Girgaon Chowpatty, the place famous for Mumbai's street food and fast food. We are having kulfi. Sama. We are having kulfi, the ice cream with malai. Very very sweet. This is Mumbai's favorite. At Girgaon Chowpatty beach right now, and this place is very much hot, so my mother and aunt, they went in a water for a while and they are just resting. आपका दो टुप्पी है, दो दो शादी करोगे ना आप? नहीं, दो दो शादी करने वाले हो आप? नहीं, मैं 3 शादी करूँगा। 2 शादी करेगा? नहीं, 3। नेपाली, एक चाइनीज, एक इंडियन। एक नेपाली, एक चाइनीज, एक इंडियन। Next day, we went to Haji Ali Dargah, the famous mosque in Mumbai. Before going to the Dargah, we had gone to Mahalakshmi temple, which is a walking distance from Haji Ali, but the premises didn't allow photography, so we just offered a prayer and headed towards Dargah. We are at Haji Ali Dargah, the Mumbai's famous landmark. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you like it. I'll be back soon with another video. Till then, bye.